Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Muscle relaxants with the histamine release. So here, most likely the D-tubocurarine. So muscle relaxants causing histamine release, it causes hypotension. Next is tachycardia. Then comes flushing. So it is most likely the D-tubocurarine. D-tubocurarine. So it is likely atracurium. So it is likely atracurium. So it is likely atracurium. It is likely mevacurium. Next is succinylcholine. So what is it least likely? So this is likely, it can be this. So least likely, what is it? So least likely, it is vicuronium. Vicuronium. It is cisatracurium. Cisatracurium. Next is rocurium, as well as pancuronium. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.